What's up guys? If you are new to this channel, my name is Amy and normally I have my boyfriend Corbin with me, but today he is going to be staying home and packaging. I am going to be going out by myself to Pawns and possibly some Goodwills, we'll see how I'm feeling, to go find some video games. Now this could be for personal collection or this could be for resale. We'll see how the day goes. Let's go find some games. Before this video starts, I want to go ahead and remind you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you like this type of content, because we post 2 videos a week. Every single week, sometimes 3. You never know. I'm gonna go ahead and plan a route for today. I'll see you guys in just a second. Alrighty guys, first pawn of the day is our local Cash America. They used to be really good to us, but now they don't really do retro games anymore for some dumb reason. So this is kind of just a gamble coming in here because you never know what you're gonna find. Normally we know not to go in here, but today, why not? It's a pawn video. So that went exactly how I expected it to. I mean, they have good quality items, just not at the price that I'm looking for. Whenever it comes to this Cash America, they aren't the best with negotiating. Even if something has sat there for months and months and months, they'll knock off about $2 and that's about it. Time to go across the bridge to Louisville and actually find the good stuff. Do you have any more loose games by chance?
Just these.
Okay. Dang, just all sports games.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pass on those. Thank you though. Can I see what's behind this little sale sign? Alright guys, so I'm thinking about buying all of these Switch games. The total cost is $235, and if I were to take the average cost of goods here, that would be 14 bucks. So I'm gonna see if I can talk them down a little bit, get the average price down, and see if we can just come to a deal. So normally I am able to come to a deal with these guys, but today just was not our day. The manager said that he could take 25 bucks off, but that just honestly wasn't cutting it for me because I was buying everything pretty much at market value. So if something was $11, they had it marked up to like $15. So I was expecting a little bit bigger of a discount just because, I mean, it was above market value. So I don't know, we're gonna go to the other Stewart's Pawn and see if we can find anything. Hopefully we can, so this video is not a dud.
Did you need some help today or you just looking?
Huh?
Did you need some help today or you just looking?
I'm just looking at the video games right now.
Alrighty then.
Actually, can I see this little stack of loose games right here?
For what games?
These games right here.
Okay. One at a time.
Oh, is there just one in there? Okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
It looks like it's more than one, don't it?
Okay. And then, you know, there might be more than one in this one.
Yeah, well, yep. One strong.
Yep. I'm gonna pass on that sports game and then whatever is in there.
I don't even know. Let's find out. Ta-da!
Okay, another sports game.
game.
Yeah. Definitely gonna pass on that. Do you know if you have any more Wii U games by chance?
Nope, that's all we get.
Okay. Is this all of your video games out here?
Yep.
Okay.
And over at the other store on First and Jefferson.
Yeah, I was just there.
Okay. Will you collect games?
Yeah, so I collect and I resell as well.
Okay, okay.
And it just, the reselling funds the collecting. So.
There you go, there you go. Only one way to get what you want.
Can I see that Barbie game right there? The DS?
Right here?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up for sure.
Okay. Put that right there.
Dang, if you had more Barbie stuff, I would buy it all.
Yeah, that's what people bring in.
Alrighty, you guys, today is starting to look like a bit of a bust. The only game that I have found so far that was even worth picking up, and that's specifically for me, is Barbie Jet Set Style, and it was freaking loose. Okay, that's how you know I'm getting desperate out here. But then again, this is for the collection. It was originally $5, but I didn't have any cash on me, so they said, oh, well, you have to spend like $7.42 in order to use card. So I was like, all right, screw it, just ring it up at $7.42. So that's what they did. $7.42, guys. You see that? You freaking see it? The things you do for your collection. All right, let's head to the next pawn. It's about 2 minutes that way. So I'm gonna go head over there. Hopefully I find something. If not, I'm gonna be very upset about sweating in this car for nothing. Well, not nothing exactly. I have this Barbie game. All right, you guys, I'm done for the day. I literally, as soon as I got done filming that last little segment, 3 kids came up to me with a freaking gun. I'm done. I cannot be in Louisville without Corbin. This is the scariest place on earth. I can't do it. I'm sorry, I know this is going to be a super short video, but I personally choose life. So I'm getting the heck out of Dodge, and is this light broken or something? What's going on here? Can I go? Can I go? Is that what's going on? I don't freaking know. It's blinking. So I am going to go back home, and I will go out later, probably tomorrow, and film the next video. But this video, done, over, because I'm not dying. It's just not gonna happen. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video that you did watch. I know it was supposed to be longer. I was trying to make this a 15-minute long video. I can't talk, I'm scared. So I was trying to make this a 15-minute long video, but it just was not going to work today because 3 little kids came up to me with that pew pew. So, and it wasn't a fake one, it was real. I had, you know, that thing waving around in my face for a good 20 seconds. So I'm okay, I'm good. Comment down below, have you ever had a pew pew in your face? Because it's horrifying, so scary. Screw that. I'm done, all right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. Let me know if you would have continued to go out and thrift. I mean, I would have if Corbin was with me, but I am alone. I'm a tiny little girl. I can't defend myself. So let me know what you guys would have done in that situation. Guys, I literally got home and crashed for 5 hours because of how stinking traumatized I was. Don't mind the chips in the background, I got hungry. Now I know a lot of you are gonna be like, oh, why didn't you get any of this on film? Well, I was recording, as you guys saw in 2 clips ago, whenever I was talking about the Barbie game. I was filming, and then as soon as I turned it off, about 3 seconds later, that's whenever they came up to me. And my first instinct was to, you know, make sure that they knew that I know, you know, what could go down. I wasn't thinking, oh, YouTube. I was not going to die for this channel. Just not gonna happen. It was scary, and I really hope that I never go through something like that again. Hopefully you guys never go through something like that. It was horrifying. absolutely horrifying. I am 99.9% sure that that was a real pew pew, and I'm not gonna say what it was because YouTube doesn't like that word. So I'm not gonna say what it was. You know, I know, we both know what I mean.
Jelly bean.
Corbin's over there playing Xbox, jelly bean. I know a lot of you are probably like, oh, well, how do you know if it's a real pew pew? I've been around them. I believe in pew pews, but in the right setting, you know? Now, you might be thinking, oh, well, was there an orange tip? No, there wasn't. There was not an orange tip. It was not fake. I know that it wasn't fake. I mean, they could have spray painted it, but that in and of itself is very much illegal. So, you know, it's just crappy situation. So I already explained that there was 3 people. They came up to the window, started tapping, and the one guy was just sitting there waving it around, and it freaked me out. And the first dude was like, hey, can you pawn this laptop for me? No, I can't pawn the freaking laptop for you. I don't know why. I was more concerned about not pawning the laptop than I was not getting killed. Not getting DED dead. It's not a funny situation, guys.
Stop laughing. Stop laughing.
I laugh when I get nervous. Why does my hair look white? Hey. Well, hopefully you guys aren't too upsetty spaghetti that I didn't get it on film or on video, whatever. Hopefully you guys understand that I was more so concerned about my well-being than this camera and your all's thoughts and opinions. So, Corbin's face right now.
There's good news. You did manage to overpay for a loose Barbie game.
I did.
Very proud of you, Amy.
I did manage to overpay. And that was strictly because A, I needed to pick something up for the freaking video, and B, I didn't have the game. But it was loose. It was loose. It was bad judgment on my end. I'm sorry, guys. Roast me in the comments. I should have let him shoot me.
Yeah, after overpaying for a loose Barbie game, I mean...
I deserved it at that point.
I know we're making jokes out of it, but it was a serious situation.
Oh, it was very serious. I mean, so I was in the parking lot, right? They came over to me, blah, blah, blah. And then I decided to drive around to the other side thinking I'm in the clear. No, I called Corbin and then they were following me. So I just freaking dipped. So, good times. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, make sure to leave it down in the comments below because I'm curious. I mean, I didn't really learn anything.
If there's an immediate threat, guys, don't do what Amy did, where she just sat in the same parking lot as these 3 gentlemen. You got 2 options. You fight or you flight. Alright? Amy being a small female, you flight, son. You get out of the parking lot.
Yeah, but there's one more F that you forget. Freeze. That's what I tend to do is I freeze when there's scary stuff going on. And that's where you come in, Corbin. You're the big guy.
Well, I'm not always going to be with you.
Well, you need to be. No more of me being alone in Louisville. Ever. Screw Louisville. It sucks. Scary. Dude, I get like 5 notifications a day saying that someone was, you know, pew-pewed, and dead. So I choose not to be one of those numbers. So I will either never be back in Louisville or I will never go alone, you know?
Go Cats. Cats by night.
Yeah. I think I've just gotten like, I don't know. I'm never gonna do it again. Anyhow, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, make sure to leave it down in the comments below because I enjoy hearing from you. And I'm also just very curious. And as as always, guys, we'll be chatting.